Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. iPhone SE2 has been the most mysterious device I have ever encountered till now. And before I start this video, I have a question for you. Do you think that iPhone SE2 is coming with a headphone jack? Answer me in the comment section below and you'll get the answer in this video ahead. It is sure that iPhone SE2 is coming out, but when it is happening is the mystery. And in the meantime, leaks about iPhone SE2 are flooding around the internet. A number of pictures have leaked claiming to be screen protectors for iPhone SE2, and there is an image of factory image of iPhone SE2's screen protector which is placed inside a plastic cover. Another image which compares the original iPhone SE with the screen protector of iPhone SE2, which clearly shows that there is a device of such form factor. A sketch of iPhone SE2 claims that it is coming with a 5-inch form factor and approximately 19mm long top notch. In the end, some rendered images came out showing some major aesthetics of the iPhone SE2. These renders show that there is a notch for sure and the power button on the top, a single rear mounted camera with no camera bump. These renders also suggest that there is no headphone jack on the iPhone SE2. So here is your answer for the question, and bye bye Jackie. Finally, a 3D render shows the full front of the iPhone SE2 with a screen protector in front of it, which is the source of this leak. These renders say a date on the top, that is 19th of June, Tuesday. Is this the release date for iPhone SE2? What do you think about this date? Mention in the comment section below. And if you find this video meaningful and interesting, hit that subscribe button to stay connected to us and enjoy quality contents every single day. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for more updates. Hey, before going out, there is a bonus for you. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has appeared on Geekbench scores, and these are just the initial scores. Still they are fine, but they will increase or get better with the software updates. And so that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.